Meet Sandy the seagull. He's a playful herring gull who is always curious. Sometimes his curiosity leads him into trouble. Or it can enable him to help someone, like when he found a bird in trouble. Then he reached out to some surfers to help. That gave him the idea to start a bird patrol to keep the beach fun and safe. Read all about it in Sandy the Seagull and the Bird Patrol, by Gini Graham Scott, the author of dozens of children's books.